He said, I inherited Trump, and Ghislaine inherited Ivana. And so you'll see Ivana at the house a lot, and you'll see Trump at the offices, but between them never cross. They'll never meet. It was in Epstein's private office that Maria claims she had a disturbing encounter with the now president.
Damn.
You know, which is a little scary to me.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, what are we doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sorry. Is that valid?
I guess. Right, I've got that. Oh, f me! Jesus Christ! Sorry, Liv. Nearly had an accident there.
Got rid of here quite a lot. Bar avocado. Could have been. It wasn't a bar.
Two of those is fine. Two of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
Moron. God damn it.
Come on.
Moron. God damn it.
Where the coins at? Where the coins at? Alright, 3x.
Yes? Are you enjoying your life? I am. Then I'd keep it in for. Hearing things like that. She said,
Thank you, April. I know you're on the dot like you should be.
But you know what? I can honestly say this. An independent woman is a lonely woman. Every woman needs a man by her side. Otherwise...
And a man pays the bills.
Actually...
He's backing up. He's going to go towards the city on Military.
See you, sir.
Like North Final, like no, 1050. 41 in Winnebago.
Oh!
Winnebago, let's get him that's rolling right away.
Using the
Oh, shit. Bro, I got that on video. Oh, I gotta make an Uber. I gotta make this Uber delivery eats. Oh my god.
Good grapple, good grapple.
Good grapple, good grapple.
Good job.
Good job, sir. Traffic bearing.